Hi, I am 𝗃𝗵𝗿. In today's video, I want to show you how to request or receive money from other PayPal users step-by-step easy method. This is going to be very simple. All you need to do is first log into your PayPal account. As you can see, I have logged into my PayPal account, and what you need to do to request payment from other PayPal user is over to this choose and scroll down and select request money. So once the page finish loading, what you need to do, as you can see, request payment form. So you enter the sender's email address. As you can see here, names or emails. So I will enter this sender's PayPal email address here. I am entering it now. I am entering it. So after entering the sender's email address, you select it and you click on next. In this page, you need to enter the amount you are requesting from the sender. So in this case, I will enter $20. So this is the amount, 20 USD, $20. You can even change the currency here. The default is USD, and you can actually change the currency. As you can see, AUD, Australian dollars, and the rest of them. But in the purpose of this video, I will leave it in USD. And what you need to do, as you can see, add a note. You can add a note or you can leave it. So anyone you want. So in this case, I will scroll down and select, as you can see here, request a payment. So what I need to do now is to click it, and the payment will be requested to the sender. So this is it. You have now requested payment. As you can see, you requested 20 USD from this email address, and the process is now completed. So it is very simple to request payments from any PayPal user. So you can go ahead and click on request more payments, or you turn back to your PayPal account dashboard. I will return back to my PayPal account dashboard. So that is very simple how to request payment from other PayPal users. So if you found any value in this video, make sure you give it a like, and also consider subscribing to the channel, because I'm going to release more video that will help you in the future related to PayPal and other things. So consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in my next video.
Finally, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon.